I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling automatic app updates so apps install without you opening the App Store. Open Settings, tap App Store, and turn on App Updates. This tells iOS to fetch updates automatically. Make sure Wi-Fi is allowed for downloads and allow cellular downloads if you want updates over mobile data. Once done, verify you're signed into your Apple ID because updates require a valid account. Doing this now removes the manual step and keeps apps current seamlessly. Next, refine how updates behave so they match your habits and limits. If you have a data plan, enable cellular downloads in the same App Store settings, otherwise stick to Wi-Fi to avoid charges. To prevent storage issues that block updates, enable offload unused apps. iOS removes app binaries, but keeps data. Also turn on background app refresh so apps can complete small maintenance tasks between updates. These steps ensure updates run reliably without wasting storage or unexpected data. Finally, confirm updates are running and know how to fix common failures. After a day, check the App Store Updates tab. If an app didn't update, try restarting your iPhone and freeing storage space since low space stops updates. If one app refuses, manually update it from the App Store. If many updates fail, sign out and back into your Apple ID or reset network settings to clear authentication or connectivity problems. If problems persist, a simple restart often resolves background hangups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.